same for the two given numbers. See here I am taking two numbers 4 and 6 I am taking. So write multiples of 4 here. Multiples of 4 means we have to multiply 4 with the numbers. So 4 table. 4 into 1 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 9 is 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40, and so on. And 6 multiples. What are the multiples of 6? 6 into 1 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. See here 4 multiples and 6 multiples. From both these number of multiples, what are the common numbers we have? Common multiples. See here 4, 8, 12, 6 and 12. So 12 is common for both the numbers. And 16, 18, 20, 24, 24. 24 is also common. 28, 32, 36, 36. 32, 36, 36. So 36 is common. Up to 10 multiples of up to first 10 multiples of 4 and 6. So what are the common multiples here? We have common multiples of 4 and 6 equal to 12, 24 and 36. 12, 24 and 36. In the first 10 multiples of 4 and 6 we have 3 common multiples of 4 and 6. These are the common multiples of 4 and 6. Common multiples means which are common multiples for the given numbers. Okay, so these 3 are the common in both the numbers, both the number multiples. 12 here and 12 also here. 24 here, 24 also here. 36 here, 36 also here. Okay, children. From these common multiples, we have least common multiple means LCM. We have to find LCM for the given numbers. LCM means least common multiple. Least common multiple means which is the smallest multiple of the two numbers, which is the smallest common multiple of the given two numbers. What is the smallest common multiple of these two numbers? What is the smallest common multiple of these two numbers? Okay, children. See here, children. LCM, least common multiple. I said LCM means it is the lowest value or the smallest common multiple of the given two numbers. So here we have two methods for finding LCM. Methods for finding LCM. What are the two methods means? One is the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, and the second is division method. Second one is division method. We have two methods to find the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, children. See what is prime factorization method here. So I am taking two numbers. I am taking 12, 16, and I am taking 12 and 16. See here. First of all, we have to write the factors of the given numbers. Write the factors of the given numbers. So I am dividing this number 12 with the lowest. I am factorizing. I want to find the factors of the 12. So first of all, I am dividing this number with 2. 2 is the least prime number. That's why I am taking this prime number and dividing this 2. So it becomes how many times? 6 times. Now I am taking 3 or 2. Again 2 I am taking 2 how many times in this number? Again 3 times. Now I am taking 3 one time. So what are the factors for 12? Factors of 12 are 2 into 3. Now I am taking 16. I am taking 2 table. It is 8 times. Again 2 table. It is 4 times. 2 table. 2 times and 2 table. 1 time. So what are the factors of 16 here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. First of all, write the common factors in these both numbers. Write the common factors in these both numbers. What are the common numbers in these both numbers? 2 and 2. 2 into 2. So LCM. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2. And also multiply. We have to multiply these common factors with these three numbers, remaining numbers. So multiply 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, children, see here. We have to take the common factors of the given two numbers. What are the common factors? 2 into 2. That's why I am taking 2 into 2. For finding LCM, we have to take the common factors and also the remaining numbers. We have to multiply with the remaining factors. What are the remaining factors? 3, 2 and 2. That's why I am multiplying 2 into 2 with 3 into 2 into 2. So, multiply now. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 24 2 is 48. This is the least common multiple for both for 12 and 16. This is the least common multiple for 12 and 16. Okay, children? Okay, children. Second one is division method. See division method here. I am taking again 12 and 16. So in division method, we have to take all the numbers at a time in a row. So I am taking two numbers in a row. Okay, children, two numbers at a time in a row. So we have to divide these numbers. We have to divide these two numbers with the least prime number, with the least prime factor of number. So for these two numbers, common 2. So 2 is a least prime number. That's why I am dividing these two numbers with 2. See here, another one important point. In LCM, we have to divide with the least common factor. It should divide more than one number in the given numbers. It should divide more than one number in the given numbers. That's see here, 2 in 12 6 times and 16 8 times. We have to do this process until the numbers have no common factors or no common divisor. Okay. I am taking again 2. 3 times it is and 4 times it is. See here, 3 and 4 other than 1, it has no common factors or no common factors other than 1 except 1. It has 3 and 4 has no common factors. So we have to stop at this point. Okay, children, we have to stop at this point here. Now we have to multiply the two divisors with the remaining numbers. We have to multiply the two divisors with the remaining numbers. So LCM, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 4. Okay, children, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48. Okay, this is the process of division method. Okay, children. So see some more problems. Okay, children. This is exercise 3.5 and the first problem in exercise 3.5. Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method and division method. We have to use both the methods for the given problems. See here, first one 48, 56 and 72. So first one, prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we have to calculate the factors of the given number. So 48, we have to take the least prime number. What is the least prime number? We have 2. It is 2 times and 4 times, 24 times, 24 12 times and 12 6 times and 6 3 times. So factors of 48 are 48 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay children. So next one is 56 I am taking 2 times in 56 in 2 table 56 28 times 28 14 times 14 7 times. Okay, so 56 have common 56 have factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Next one is 72 in 2 table 72 36 times and 36 and 36 18 times and 18 9 times 9 in 3 table 3 times. Okay, see here 72 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now what are the common factors in both in 3 among these 3 numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2. So these 3 numbers are the common in this among these 3 numbers. These 3 factors are the common in among these 3 numbers. So LCM. Okay children, so LCM of therefore LCM of 48 56 and 72 is, see here, so from these 3 2's are common, that's why I am writing 2 into 2 into 2 and I am multiplying with the, see here 1 3 and here 1 3. It's have 2 3's are common, that's why from these 2 3's we have to take only 1 3. We have to take 1 3. If any number have 2 common factors, if any number have 1 common factor, so we have to take from these 2 only 1. So these 2 number have 3 as a common factor, that's why I am taking 3, only 1 3 and I am multiplying it with 7. And see here another 2 are missed. Okay, now multiply 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24, 24 into 7 168, 168 into 3, 3 8's are 24, 3 6's are 18, 18 plus 2 20, 3 1's are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 504, 504 into 2 1008. It is a common factor, least common factor for the 3 given numbers. Okay, now do this same by using division method. So division method. So 48, 56 and 72. So what is the least common factor? Which is a common factor for these 3 numbers. So 2 I am taking. In 2 table it is 24 times and it is 28 times and it is 36 times. Again 2 table I am taking 12 times, 14 times and it is 18 times. Again 2 table I am taking 6 times, 7 times and 9 times. Now see here 6, 7, 9 and we have, so if you take 2 is a common factor, 2 is factor for only 6. So no other number have 2 as common factor. So in this time we have to take a number as common, a number which is common factor of any 2 of these 3 numbers. Any 2 of these 3 numbers. If you take 2, it is a factor for only 6. But if you take 3, it is common factor for both 6 and 9. That's why we have to take 3. I am taking 3 as a common divisor. See, it is 2 times and 7. If it is not a factor for the number, then we have to write that number here. So now 3 times. So 2, 7 and 3. These 3, any number, these 3 have only one common factor, that is 1. That's why it has no common factors. So we have to multiply now. LCM is equal to, we have to multiply these 4 numbers with the remaining numbers. 2 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. Okay, now multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 2 is 48, 48 into 7. Multiply here 48 into 7. 7 8 is 56 and 7 4s are 7 4s 28, 28 plus 5 33. 336 we have multiplied with 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 9 plus 1 10 and 1 carry, 3 3 are 9 again, 9 plus 1 10. So answer is 1008 and it is the LCM for the given three numbers. Okay children, do this problem as homework, both methods. By do this problem by both methods. Thank you children, bye, see you tomorrow.